Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia and this is a December daily process video of day 21, and it's going to be really simple. One of the things that I had for this day were the tags for my daughter's ugly sweater, which was Minecraft, and Minecraft is all the rage. I love to keep tags, and I feel like when we look back, maybe Minecraft won't be a thing, or it will be Minecraft generation 20 something, like the My Little Ponies, or back when we had Beanie Babies. But I use the other piece of the tag that I didn't use for day 20 in this tag, and I had to be careful because one of the April's sword was kind of on the way, and I didn't want it to break, but it was like difficult to place. I also had these other tag, but on the back there's information about it, so all I did was poke a hole and use a brad with a star. Jen sent me these little brads, but it says recollections. My Michaels never had them because I went crazy when I saw them. I know that if I saw something like this I would want it. But so that was the great thing about the swap. So I wanted to keep it simple, so I'm going to add a little die cut that kind of looks like a washi tape piece. I'm gonna add one of my little golden hearts and a puffy word sticker. And I chose that card because even it was in one of the Feed Your Craft kits, and I was like, that's strange wood, I don't think I would go for it, but it was perfect for Minecraft because it kind of looks like the ground and it's woodsy and it fits the theme, and it goes perfect with the rest of the photos, which I thought it was great. And that day we went to pick up my little one to school all together, and then we went to Target. So we took this selfie in the car, and I honestly hate how I look, but I had to include it. The colors were super weird, so I did the move that I always do when I take crappy pictures, which is to turn it to black and white. So my husband, in these 20 something days of December, he went to Puerto Rico because his sister was going to get married. Wedding didn't end up happen. It was like it was a whole tea. It was the whole tea party. It was too much. But the thing is that I told him, like, I want you to bring me stuff from Puerto Rico. So he got every bimbo cake, cookie, coffee, lots of things. So if you ever are in Puerto Rico and you see anything with the brand Bimbo, just eat it. Yeah, I don't care what it is, I am not sure, but it will taste delicious. And the cards that I use, and most of the things are going to be from the Feed Your Craft kits, including these numbers, and I'm also going to stamp a little bit. I love to stamp on photos, and I have a whole video on that if you're curious about, you know, what products to choose, what is the process, or just need tips in general. However, here, that's the thing I don't like about this block, this stamp. Oh my god, the acrylic block that I use in the star, I prefer to use thinner ones where I can see above. This one is just a stick. So I messed up in my stamping with my star, and I was like, is this okay? I don't feel like it's okay. So I had to cover it with a label, which is a great way to fix your mistakes when you're stamping on photos. And this quick pick tool is my new best friend. It's just so perfect for these little stars, and I've been using them everywhere. And we of course have the pictures of Charlotte with the ugly sweaters. And I also, what I did for the rest of the album is that I put the numbers already in the page protectors where I'm going to use them, because at the beginning I forgot quite a few times. So this is just way easier for me. And I'm gonna do diagonal embellishing. I'm gonna add some scallop stickers and little word stickers, both from Pretty Little Studio. If you need any of, because I don't see many of these little words around for the holidays, so Pretty Little Studio, it's a great place to shop. Is small business owner. Melissa does everything, so you're supporting someone from a small business too. And this card was printed from the Feed Your Craft kit. I did want it to cover what it says. It said location, I believe, and I covered it with "Oh, what fun." And then I stamp the date. And I added 21 in this little space, and I am loving these numbers. I'm gonna try to use them the rest of the album, especially because I think day 23, 24, 25 are gonna be like multiple pages. So I'm gonna have to use more than once. And this is the Ink Joy pen. It's so perfect. It writes so smoothly. And if you want to use colors and you want an alternative to felt or other pens, I really like this brand. And Ink Joy is from Papermate, right? Let me see, I have a bunch here. Yes, they are from Papermate. In that tee that said "Together for the Holidays" was just perfect for this photo. Most of the people that were in my house were in here. All we're missing is my husband and my nephew, who just stayed at home because he didn't want to come to live at Target with us for a whole week. So he decided to stay home. And the red Ink Joy pen matches perfectly with the poppy ink from Studio Calico. Here is the close-up. Is very simple. I love what I did with the tags, and that is something that I might also do later, because that is something that is very important to me in my process. And then we have a close-up with food. I also like that idea, maybe for groceries or any recipe that you might be making. So I love that. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found these ideas useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.